What's up guys, and welcome back to Supercars Daily. We got a new car, a new day ahead of us, so yeah, let's take it for a ride. Okay, so what you guys have in front of you is the 2009 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG with a 6.3 liter V8 producing 457 horsepower with 600 in torque. So yeah, let's just say this bad boy is a beast. There's no question about it, Germans can build cars. Okay guys, so if it's power you're looking for but want something that doesn't stand out too much, this is the car to go for, trust me. This is the car. There are other cars like the RS6 and yeah, the Audi RS5 and such that kind of look discreet to someone who doesn't know cars. But for those who do know cars, they can see that this is no regular C-Class. Yeah, they facelifted the car in 2012, where they got like new headlights, new taillights, new front spoiler. They got a new stereo, but mainly the new steering wheel is so lovely. Unfortunately, this is a 2009, so it doesn't have it. But please have a look at the 2013 or 2012. You're gonna love it if you love this car. They made a new C-Class. It's a new facelift, but it's far from the same car. They kind of removed the rawness of the car, making it more smooth and softer in the edges. So in my opinion, this one does look a lot more powerful, and yeah, this is the one to go for in my opinion, but that's just me. A sad thing about this car in specific is that it didn't come with the original AMG wheels. That's it for today guys. Remember to comment below about what you want me to review next, and have a nice day, like and subscribe.